supply chain age-old problem, and it's not, this number shouldn't be surprising to any of you. It is one of the most affected, the supply disruption, and manufacturing is the one which is most hit all the time. There are so many factors which are beyond our control. Let's take COVID, right? I mean, the fluctuations, the supply disruptions, the logistics, things which are beyond our control. But there are many times you could forecast, the lack of forecasting or poor forecasting or not having a mechanism to manage your inventory well, it hurts. And the challenges, these are so intertwined, because you're having a suddenly a new order, you're trying to work towards the demand fluctuation, you bring in overtime, you add a new shift, your process is not solid, you don't have a technology foundation, so you end up producing poor quality. Because of poor quality, you're trying to catch up, and then that's affecting your efficiency. People are overworked. That's why I said it's so intertwined that you have to look at holistically when you're trying to do. Some of our customers have asked, can we just solve this problem in IIoT? Yes, you can. Right? It is a journey. You have to do a focused area, but you got to have the big picture to know what you're trying to solve, what are the different areas, and then tackle in a way. There are certain things you have to tackle it with some certain tactics, but you have to have a solid strategy which is holistic in nature, and not with a small prism trying to solve one use case and then I declare I've got a smart factory.